Hey everybody, it's Doggle. I am at the Jamaica market here, and this is a different market than the one I was at earlier. I was over at the San Juan market right earlier, but over here they have a lot of flowers and such that people can buy. There's really beautiful arrangements there, as you can see. And this is all to celebrate the Dia de los Muertos festival. You get roses, or the main flower that it is. Walking through here, checking it out. It's really beautiful here. I'd also say too, it's very fragrant too, with all the roses and flowers and marigolds and such that they have. I'm kind of stuck here. It's really crowded. But, just kind of following my tour leader up there. And, seeing where she takes us here. So but this is really very interesting to see. People that are in the flower business.
Con permiso. Con permiso. Con permiso. Con permiso.
Wow, really crowded here. Just love this hustle and bustle. And yeah. Oh, check out these arrangements here. Oh. You can get whacked by a bouquet of flowers here if you're not careful. So, yeah, but some of these arrangements are really, really amazing as I'm looking at it here. Let's see. So. I'm moving, and I think we're going to be stopping up here, but just wanted to give you guys a shot here of the Jamaica market. This place is really known for its flowers and all its floral arrangements, and this is where a lot of people buy flowers for the Dia de los Muertos festival, and they're really, really just beautiful. Really cool, just really phenomenal. So anyway, I will check in with you guys later. Thanks for tuning in here.